I just got my NRMCC stickers in, and I'm going to show you where I'm going to stick them. Now, since we can't afford to actually get fancy ones that are all cut up, they end up being square, but you can stick them on with a white border, or you can take this pair of scissors like this, and you can take the time and cut them out, just like that. Then you got to decide where you want to put them. I figure since I got all my Maverick Comet stickers here on this side, I think I know exactly where I'd like to place it. You know. So, I'll show you once it's on. And here is the finished project. I placed the NRMCC sticker next to the classic NRMCC sticker. And we have the Maverick Comet group sticker too. And there's my little Maverick Comet collection of decals. Oh yeah, I even got the Harvey's Maverick sticker on there too. So, I've been told that the stickers, the decals, will make my car go faster, and Lord knows it needs all it can get. So, there you go. It's funny how within minutes of putting the official NRMCC decal on my car, they seem to be everywhere, including non-Mavericks. It's amazing, really, when you get down to it. Even this kid that I've never seen before, I don't know at all, ever, has one on his bike. I've never seen this child before. He just happens to be sitting on a bike in my driveway, by my cars. So everywhere you go, there's a little bit of the NRMCC, or something like that. Of course, maybe I just put the stickers on everything that I own. But you know what? You will not see one on this here Chrysler minivan, because this is my wife's main car and she won't let me stick one on. Well. Can't have everything. You know what I'm saying? Only while quantities last. More savings. Bye.